not as bad as Skillibeng. Me telling you before no. Alkaline move at Skillibeng before no. Yeah man.
A few moments later.
There's no comparison when you compare a Skillibeng to a Alkaline. None. Skillibeng fly past him long time. Long time.
Get out of here. Get out.
So we see Kartel son, little Addi get picked in the music Caribbean Music Award for best young new artist.
Bumbo rascal. Jamaica, stop!
Them just find new things to drop on Chronic Law. So this is stemming from his old case. It's not no new charge. So why honor about the man, so brother? Eh? Me never, yo, let me tell you, this when me meet Chronic Law at Alligator Alcatraz. I was an officer there with Chronic Law. And every minute, every chance me get, me go raise with the dog. And I still say, the man regret his mistakes.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Propaganda upon the man. Uno, Yardi, and not even nobody else now. I feel one people are do it, you know. I bring the man down, you know, man. I tarnish a man name wicked, you know.
Let me move your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox. How we the latest news them lock.
Everyone don't know one Media Fox pan happen. Yeah man, you know a thing set. You see me? So people, Alkaline, girl good song. See, add pan the Apple Music. You see me? Summertime sounds. Them add it a part of the list of the summertime sounds. You see me? Global thing. You see me? It's a good look. The song are do great. Girl good. You see me? Yeah, he's now playing on the Stormy Summertime Apple Music. You see it? It's a good look. You see me? Big hit song. You see me? It's a go on with the thing. You see me? You don't know. Vendetta boss. You see me? Yeah, man. Anthem songs. You see me? The anthem for the girls. You see me? Yeah, man. So look at now, people. Alkaline, the youngest dancehall artist at this time. See? For solo Barclays Center. Solo. Sold out. 13 years in his career. You understand? So Alkaline sold 15,243 tickets. Is a good look. Barclays Center is a good look for the artist. Although him pull more than this before. You understand? Not in Barclays Center, but him pull more than 15,000. Even though in Guyana, him pull 20,000 something. I think at 20,000 something, yeah. Seeing like 22,000 something in Guyana. Seeing? You know, Alkaline pull more than this already. You see me just at Barclays Center, you know? For sell out arena in New York as a dancehall artist. Especially Alkaline is young. You see me at this age, I'm about 30, 32 or something like so. It's a good look for the artist, you know. Him accomplish a lot. You see it independently. It's a good look for the artist. I know that I want to see more artists come do this as well. You see me? Although a bag of people that say you are 13,000 or 10K at this same sell. See it there now? Because remember, you know, this was Reggae Fest and new rules, so you don't know Alkaline manager. Caribbean put out the exact number. So she tells you 15,243. You understand? And remember, say Alkaline was in the Barclays Center like 7 months before this, you know, with other artists, and then him come do it by himself now. So it proved to me that these people, to me, like most of the people, them, you know, come face see him. Because if him sell it out by himself 7 months after, it's a great look. You understand? It's a great look. You see it? Yeah, man, it's a great look. So people, Skillibeng drop a song, name nobody. And these guys, man, now get up and say, Skillibeng attack, I put Alkaline and Mastic on them place. I think, you know, I'm not sorry for Skillibeng. Like, bro, I just feel like, say, Skillibeng is just overrated. And, you know, it's like, I guess maybe through you know, Vybz Kartel give him the acknowledgement and them just run with him and use him. You understand? If you say, right, way. Yeah, he's an established artist out there globally. You don't know, label artist. You understand? Him have something I go on for him. But sometimes, when you use some little thing where, my G, sometimes when you just make the artist them just do them thing, my G. You understand? Make them do them thing. You see it? But more want to hear what the brother say, people. Because some of my time, when you keep on a compare Skillibeng with Alkaline, and bro, Skillibeng is a good artist. You understand? Him a do him thing. Him do him collaboration them. Him put out some songs. You understand? But like, if you say Skillibeng with Alkaline, my G, I think that's overrated thing. You understand? Because Alkaline do a lot of things with Skillibeng do. You see what I say? Yeah. But people, listen to what I say.
Drop a song called Nobody. And I swear to you, I don't know if I'm me alone listen to the song about 100 times already since the song dropped. And I swear, I peer laugh, me I laugh. When me say, yo, that, yo, me tell you, say Skillibeng, me listen to the Skillibeng song when put on the YouTube, your brethren. The man different, that. The man just naturally different. Me not tell you lie. It don't matter who right now I say them are the baddest thing in a dancehall, or they might tell themselves that they might fire hits upon hits. Dog, none of them not as bad as Skillibeng. Me telling you before no. Alkaline move at Skillibeng before no. Yeah man. Oh no. Alkaline move at Skillibeng before, brethren. Yeah. And Skillibeng drop was a two bomber. Skillibeng pull out him lyrics them from out the sky and twist them together. Because I don't think that Skillibeng do, you know. Yeah.
Yes, sometimes we have to laugh, you know. I don't know what I mean by Alkaline. Bro, Alkaline never says Skillibeng. Who was Skillibeng at that time? We run off. I don't understand this. Skillibeng run off. You understand? Because he maybe get a little boot by the guards, I think. You understand? Alkaline now made Skillibeng, G. You see it? Because, come on, brother. Not because I don't feel like say I'm man. Sometimes Skillibeng sing sometimes. I see man sing a song and the man say, yo, police say me fi freeze. But me no bother freeze. Bro, what you call lyrics, brother? It even make no sense, me G. And that's why when it comes to Skillibeng performance, the people them just stand up. Because sometimes him just sing a bag of nothing. You understand? Right now, I don't know. The last big song them are Wap Wap and Crocodile Teeth. Who can say Skillibeng have? Yeah, just that. One more songs him really have. You understand, brother? So sometimes when me hear in the talk, I just feel like say, yo, you just have boots up Skillibeng, make Skillibeng look like him that type of artist, my G. You understand? But I guess you not gonna realize, you know. You see me? You just gonna realize, and maybe through that acknowledgement from Vybz Kartel with Skillibeng. And that to do with Massacre, you know. That's what I'm telling you, that to do with Massacre. When Massacre did in the Gaza thing and Ray and rate him, see? Wanna prep him up. Yo, him bad and Alkaline. Yo, him this than Alkaline. But you see, as him and Uno fall out, Uno start say, yo, what you do? She ain't good. This, that, Ray. Uno start at the truth. When Uno ain't good enough, Uno try to bring up some information overhype, overrated. When Uno ain't fall out, you know, Uno start talk some different thing. A same thing with Skillibeng. Any day Skillibeng and Uno fall, Uno go talk the truth. May I tell you no? So, me understand say, Uno just say something when I make no sense.
Skillibeng lyrics come from out the sky, virgin, and just twist them together. Yeah? Alkaline never replied. Alkaline back down. You tell? Yeah? So, you see that song here when he Nobody? The man a boy up Alkaline and Massacre, you know? Yeah, man. The man a boy up Alkaline and Massacre. Serious? Yeah, man. So, he might make you know.
I don't know what you talk about, you know. I don't know what you talk about. Boy up. Which you, no, to be honest, people. You know if any clash with Skillibeng going on? Why the clash, brother? No, you feel like, say, being more lyrical make you win clash? Cause if you can't roll counter-rock, you know, make no sense, you know, me G. You don't have this mindset we say, oh, Skillibeng lyrically, so it would have been bad if him going a clash. Skillibeng, I don't know if Skillibeng no clash nobody, me G. Right now, me tell you, Skillibeng for going on a clash, brother. Yo, wouldn't laugh, me I tell you. Cause I see the potential of Skillibeng, me G. Skillibeng is not that guy we wanna think. You understand? Don't make you feel like the little lyrics thing and way a fool, you know, dog. Yo, we soon realize what go on. Cause I just feel like say it's just some overrated talk gonna make when it comes to Skillibeng. True, him signed to the label and you see the label are put in the work for him and him collaborate with some people and him out there do him thing and way. Yeah man, I just that fool, you know.
I say, yo, all the talk on that talk, brother. On a baby, man. Yo, just listen to the song. And you can see, say, a boy, the man, a boy. Especially Massacre. No joke. Yeah, man. Even him going on the part and I tell about, say, yo, we don't tell about, say, we are messy. A boy, the man, a boy, Massacre, dog. Yeah. There's no comparison. When you compare a Skillibeng to a Alkaline. None. Skillibeng fly past in long time. Long time. You see me? Yeah, man. Long time. Alkaline and the lyrics and all. Alkaline never make me go, whoa. Bars. Never. And this is why I know say people write Alkaline song. See that? You come like him Tusha now. You see me? The only thing I hold up Alkaline now is just a fan base. Just a fan base will argue, will come like a Tweety bird. You get what I say? Cause him not do nothing, brother. Him not do nothing. That's why it's always important to have a fan base. You know? Don't get me wrong. That's why it's important to get a fan base and have a fan base. But loyal to you. Just
So wait eh. So you might say Skillibeng. People sometimes you have to just listen, you know. Because people are listening to them. You understand? And maybe believe these things. But look at now. I'm sure say him flop himself. You say Alkaline have the more fan base. But you say Skillibeng fly past Alkaline. I don't understand that. When fly past when fly past, where Skillibeng and Duffy say fly past Alkaline. Tell me. What I use? When I use like commercial wise? Yeah, people can know you know. No mean say you're bigger than the artist. Yeah, people can know you more than the artist, but no mean say you're bigger than the artist, you know. Cause first of all, Skilly can't pull the crowd by himself. Like how Alkaline do it by himself. You understand? Skilly have an album where Alkaline have me. Skilly drop much album. Some of them not even hit the billboard. You understand? 40 track, not even one hit song out of them. You see what I'm trying to say? Most of Skilly accomplishments, you don't know him collaborate and you see me? Like for the past few years, Skillibeng, what the hit song was Skillibeng? The last song we can say Ray and that with Iman Malidan. Iman Mali, the girl from Guyana. We sing I don't remember the song people. The song, the remix we go on with you. You understand? What else song did they? The only song I know say yo Ray, yeah, worldwide we can say Ray, a crocodile teeth and what you call it? Crocodile teeth and wap wap. You understand? And the feature we do with what's your name? Tyler. Yeah, but you don't know what Tyler mostly get the energy there. You see me? So I don't know what I mean by run pass. Only just I said that as a Gaza man because kill the pan phone side. You understand?
in case you not nothing, them still can show you. Make people think so you do something. You get what I say? Alkaline not do nothing, dog. Him not do nothing. You see me? Look go to Massacre now.
So citizens of Jamaican across the world, so we see Kartel son, little Addi get pick in the music Caribbean music award for best young new artist. For all who ask me bad mind, for all who are gonna tell me about my mother, wanna show me or tell me 5 producers, 5. Wanna show me 5 or tell me 5 promoter we ever book that demand there. I want to show me, because I never see that demand for posters yet. See father, then give father crown at some fest, and I see father call him up and introduce him to the world as an artist. So I want to know, the other who we are going to send me bad mind and I'm going to tell me about my mother, I want to tell me 5 promoter we ever book him.
Alright, to be honest people, that I don't know, the thing with Little Ali. Alright, first of all, we'll talk about the the Caribbean Music Award. You have to understand, say, that award show is a friend and company thing. You have to understand that. You understand? You have to understand that. First of all, I see the man them give cranium our award ceremony can give a man an award and then call him back and I tell him say, I know him forget the award. Tell me now, people. You know, sure you say that corruption there is. You understand? First of all, we know so when it comes to award show, Kartel nominate for what, 11 award and him get about 9. You understand? We been know that. Strings pull a Vybz Kartel son, so we know that go already. You understand? We been know that. Look at Addi and a new artist. For years them youth I do music and a bag of thing, but them father out now. You know them I go drop in a certain categories and thing. I say it go. I just marketing to me. Just marketing. You see me? And if them father want pull strings and a bag of thing. You see me? But you don't know the award thing, them the award ceremony. I don't really take them serious. Them not really take this music thing serious. Them just do what them want. But I saw it go. And congratulations if him win. I think him get nominated. You see me? But the award thing right now, after what I see them do to Cranium, give man award and take it back. A joke thing. A joke thing, people. May I tell you that? So me even all our mates that. You see me? When it comes to that. So we're gonna see. You see me?
Sure. Because I never see that demand for posters. I never yet see that demand for posters. I never yet see that demand a fly out. Saying it, sure. Say my fly out, pan tour, music tour. I not talk fly out when the man in father. I travel. I talk music tour. More no show me. More no show me. All the way I go to the bad man, all the way I go think about my mother. More no show me. Tell me 5 promoter we ever book that demand. You have music pan platform, yes, song pan platform, yes. With views, numbers of views as likes, yes. But more see him on stage. You must stage show you have. Yes, man. Yes, me I wait, me I look as me say, him get picked Caribbean best young artist. It's a good look. It's a good look for him. It's a good look for him, but more if you know if him put in the work, that's him reach this so. Look how much younger artist than him. So all the way I go say me Batman, all the way I go tell me about.
Well, brother, I say go on, brother. They everywhere. They not Grammy. They not every award show, bro. You understand? I just links and who have power and all of them little thing there. You see, when I see people, I say, sure. I'm not even nothing that. You see me? I'm not even nothing that, magic. You know, if you just understand, say, yo, I saw the industry set. You see me? And just move on.
No matter. Me still ask on if show me and tell me 5 promoter we ever book the demand that the man they pack him suitcase, him and his team and fly over shell down show. I come back a yard. Me dey tell Kartel, I know video me doing as a Kartel. You need to start pen lyrics give your boy them. Yeah man, start pen lyrics give your boy them. Yeah man.
Me don't know now. Them man, yo, them, I don't know. To be honest, people, them born in a riches. So where them experience and when them go through, them I go sing about. Bag of girls, money, riches, watch, cars, everything. I that them I see down. So, me I say, I that them I see. So, I that them I go sing about. You to grow up in the ghetto and go poor and eat out of one pot and one shoes. Yeah, them I go sing about that. So, when I see that, me I say, it's just now go relate to the mass we are forward from the ghetto and the struggles. You understand? So, I guess maybe if them start, like sing some songs related, cause you know forward from the ghetto and forward from a poor life to sing about. Remember seeing like when you watch movie and see some things and you can sing about it. You see me just bring up an image. So if you see some you, if you know say youth in a ghetto, you must have some friend or from the ghetto or go through struggles or something. You understand? You can sing about it, but I guess them just stick to the topic, girls and or whatsoever. So I just one of them thing there, man. You see me, and to be honest, them father kind of overshadowed them career as well. So it's like you have to just understand, say, yo, them fans are really, you know, Kartel fans, them are not really about the music, really, you know, about Kartel. You understand? I just say, go, yeah, man.
The manager, focus on them. Start pen lyrics to your boy, they make your boy, they rock down stage. I know, me can understand how you get crowned at some face, and me know, see you call up your boy, them, you know. Introduce them to the people, them. I know, me can understand. So, no look for this car, I never did book for this one vice or Dan vice.
Yo, you know what about me? Wanna say, chronic law, nah, learn, and chronic law this and chronic law idiot, and chronic law go get caught up with this again before they do no research and realize that chronic law did not get locked up for any form of new gun charge. Them never hold chronic law in Florida with no gun. I could put that out there. This is stemming from the same old charge where them just find new things to drop on chronic law. Them just find new things to drop on chronic law. So this is stemming from his old case. It's not no new charge. So why honor about the man, so brother? Eh? Me never, yo, let me tell you, this is when me meet Chronic Law at Alligator Alcatraz. I was an officer there with Chronic Law, and every minute, every chance me get, I go raise with the dog. And my sister, the man regret their mistakes. The man have no bad intention, and the whole away in life make mistake.
Brother, you see Uno with Uno now. You see with Uno now, my dog. Sometimes Uno find some woman and just lay down with her and just relax and them little thing them G. Bro, why Uno like Uno see the reality in our eyes and see where Chronic Law forward with me G? First of all, Chronic Law get himself in another problem, yeah. So no matter where you take it, have him put the problem upon himself. You understand? For you know Chronic Law badness, gun, this, ray, all of them little thing them G. You understand? You meet Chronic Law one time, you know Chronic Law friend brother Ray, you know they run him every day if you know what I go on. You understand? First of all, if you not affiliate yourself with certain things or Ray or you just a normal man, police now go dead there for you, my G. You understand? You don't have too much sympathy for certain things, and that's why these people keep on doing what they're doing and get caught up by the cops. You understand? Before you forward out and say, yo, boy, you know Chronic Law, sometimes if you just low certain energy or motivate him for cause what other people are saying and all of them little thing there, bro. And that's why it continuously happen. Because when him see people are forward and defend him and or say I hate and Ray, that does motivate him. When everybody at him say, yo, Ray, what are this? It'll look different from the side. You understand? From the eyes. But I don't know wrong with Uno G. He's like, it come like so no one more things I'm see when they fall out and say them madness. Yeah.
In life, none of we never perfect. None of we never perfect. The man just make a wrong move and I just saw it up, man. Now it follow him for the rest of his life, and that is it. It is not no charge. The man never did pick up no gun and they hold him in Florida with it. So you see, Uno people were out there spread propaganda upon the man. Uno, Yardi, and not even nobody else now. If we one people are do it, you know, I bring the man down, you know, man. I tarnish the man name wicked, you know. Why? Because we're not doing the research. So you see that with a lot of Jamaicans, them just.
I don't understand this, bro. This a brother here. So weird. Jamaicans force Chronic Law for him go do and get caught up, me G. I don't understand how not blame people for Chronic Law downfall for him own self. I don't understand these people. If Chronic Law never do what him do or get caught up with what him do, we wouldn't dare talk about him, me G. One who can't pre-life as that. Eh? Sometime, you just take the L and go on. Is what I try to say? If Chronic Law did have put himself together and stay far from certain things, he wouldn't get caught up. You understand? He wouldn't get caught up. If him the go foreign, see him like him get him work visa and go over there and do him shows, or come back on him yard, or whatsoever, and put himself and humble himself till one next show forward up, yeah, he wouldn't get caught up in this. You understand? So sometimes when you forward out with this sympathy thing, my G, how Jamaicans fear Ray when him get himself caught up. Him and the Jamaicans tell him to go do it or do what him do. You understand? I saw a thing, my G. You see it?
Pick up things and run with instead of do a research. You understand me? Get the understanding of what really go on. And that with Uno, that is our downfall. You understand me? We love listen and run with. We not like to read with understanding. Chronic Law, go on with it, my G. Bashi, big up yourself, you did it with the G straight. You understand me? Uno, yeah, tell you no that.
You see what I talk about, people? In this situation, you know what is? He might big up Chronic Law. You know why? Because he meet Chronic Law already. Rather than the man I say, yo, Ray, bash it, hold it. Rather than say, yo, me G, we have to just low out certain things, before a man recommend the man or say, yo, leave this, Ray, the man a bash it, people them. Yo, Chad, people, I tell you that. Yo, Jaja youth. But we don't soon realize what go on, man.
So citizen of Jamaica and across the world, Vybz Kartel, Vybz Kartel, Vybz Kartel. So people, I want to tell me if we cartel do wrong or we cartel do right. Me not expect better from the Gaza, sheep them. Alright, so cartel them on alive. Look like a woman, ask cartel what happened to see them. Blood clot, you know. Who tell that there's somebody if you ask cartel what happened to see them. People don't know when man and woman in a problem, in a war, in a fight. Them just catch their woman for the hot backers. And somebody asks them, say, yo, what going to be? They what going for your girl? Hey, cheap. And they react them get from cartels tell a woman and tell a woman when you go do with the mother. And this man, they want to say change. Cartel, what kind of man? Cartel, if you know, say, your fans them all there. If you know, say, your fans them all there. Respect, see them, like how they respect you. And if a fans are somebody asks, if you see them, what go and see them, you have to tell the people when you go do with the mother, what you go do. And if you want to see them, she should go over see them page. Remember, from day one in a year, see them, you do video together, you company media together, you walk up and down in the street, kiss me, baby, kiss me, baby, kiss me, baby, kiss me, baby. Remember, so if a person no see,
Bro, when I feel yo, man, I know, like, to be honest, people, anything I can't tell you on the media, it don't surprise me. May I tell you that? It not surprise me. You see, man, you have to understand, say, yo, I can't tell that, brother. You know, the man just thin skin. You understand? And when things up on his mind, you see me, or certain things happen, yeah, I gonna know. Because I'm emotions and the reaction, I'm gonna react to certain things. I'm not the first time I react to people when it comes to see them. You understand? Even with the shorty thing. You see me? So, I just can't tell that, brother, like, if Kartel and see them left, brother, I just one of them things like over the years I be a different girl when it come to Kartel, brother. You understand? Kartel not really loyal to anybody. You see me? Especially when it comes to woman. You see me? So I don't know. I just one of them things them G. You see it? Kartel so call him just a be himself. You see me? What me never like is that, you know, if you're a grown man, depend on the media. All I spit per woman per phone or through TikTok live or TikTok live or Instagram live. One of them. And I say Jaja. You see me? And the suck him that thing and a bag of thing I go on. I feel ashamed, mate. I say yo, the brother ain't grown up, I don't know how to write it, but I just him that. You see me?
them around you, them a go and know what go on for them. If see them good or see them not good. So the person asks you what happened to see them. If person are wrong, so you now have to tell him. The person say why if you go do and why if you go do with the mother. Come on, Kartel, man. Remember your sheep them, you know. Remember Kartel. Like your sheep them Kartel. So if them not see them around you. If them not see them around you, them a go and know what go on, where you see them. See them good, see them okay, see them did it, or see them go up on vacation. Remember, from day one I see them. So if you go live, and them not see them around you, them a go and know what go on, them concerned about see them. So you know if you behave so. When I tell the people, say, go suck your mother, go suck this, go suck that. If you want to see them go over a page, like any woman might, well, I wonder if you see them kick off, and you don't want nobody know. Them say, why not dark must come out in the light, you know, Kartel. So if you see them kick off, one day it will come to light, one day people are going to know. And one day one of your person around you are going to leak it. So see them not did it again, or you see them kick off, or you see them not 100. Somebody are going to leak it, so you know better you hide it. If you hide it, how long you going to hide it from? Remember, you know, you say you find God, you say you change, you know, and that way they when me see you deal with it, is somebody will ask about them. No man, come like a go man and see them on a hot backers. If you behave the kind of way, if the person asks you what happened to see them, I behave so. You come like you can see them on a hot backers, man. I just see them a text one man, I just see them phone ring and see them now answer you. Come on, man. Remember, man. I want to first come out with you now. Kiss me, baby. Everywhere they go, know they. So a person.
Well, that was just a show, you know. You see me? That was just a matter of time. You see me? Things been a going a long time. You see me? And I know things are going. It's just that it just keep private certain little things. You know, see them and post some things, and I just one of them things, brother. I just one of them, you see me? See him with Shorty. See him with a lot of people. You see me? Them man ain't real loyal to one man, so that's something well they expected. You see me? So You know, I guess she have to learn, you know. She have to learn. She did things say ring and married and all of them things there. Huh. Well, I guess she choose it because if I understand when it comes to Kartel, you know, you see me, him play a sympathy role and then, you know, them same change and you see me, I guess him show some part and you know, yeah, him will show you the part where you want to see based on social media, but otherwise from that is a different thing. Just the way him react to people certain way and all of them little thing there. So people broke waist man and you see me? I just one of them thing they are people. Nothing real there when it's surprising. You see me? Yeah, nothing real there was surprising still, but there's more to come, you know. We never see what go on.
You see one, him a go ask what happened to me the other one. Them a go want answer about Sidem. So give them answer about Sidem. You don't have to tell them to go over there, go over Sidem, please go look for Sidem.
Yeah man people, big up on yourself and I don't know I want me the first one happen. Yeah man, big up. That is it.